Hello everyone and welcome back to DeFi Central. Today I'm going to show you how to add the Fantom network to your Metamask. So if you have your Metamask already installed, basically go to your Metamask and once you open up your Metamask like this, you'll go up here and you'll click on Add Network. You'll click on Add Network and then it'll bring you to this page here. So on this page, this is where you're gonna enter the information manually. So I'll leave the link in the description for this link right here, so you can basically copy and paste the information manually. So basically, you're going to you're going to copy that right here. As you can see, network name, new RPC, URL, chain ID, symbol, block explorer URL, all of that goes in here. So I just copied the network name. We'll add that there. And then copy one of these two URLs. If it doesn't work, it'll tell you, and then basically you just copy the next one. It's giving me this warning here because I already have the Fantom network installed on my MetaMask. So it's saying this URL is currently used by the Fantom Opera Network. So that's because I already have it installed on my MetaMask. So I'm going to go back and we're going to copy chain ID 250 FTM 250 and FTM. So I'm going to copy that, put that there. I'm just going to write 250 FTM. Perfect. So, and that's it. So once you enter that information, you hit save, and then the Fantom Opera Network will be installed on your MetaMask. So now I'll show you how to add the tokens to your MetaMask, because sometimes your token, let's just say you have some tokens, it won't appear, and you'll have to come down here and click on import tokens. So I'll show you how to find, if you're on the Fantom network, you can always go to CoinGecko, and you can always go to CoinGecko, and in CoinGecko you can find basically all the coins, most coins, and then let's just say you want to add Tomb to your MetaMask, or if you want to add anything on the Fantom network, what you'll do is come here and let's just say I want to add Boo to my that's the token for Spooky Swap. If I want to add Boo, I'm going to come over here, and this is where you find the token address. So here you can see there's two. Sometimes there's more because there's a different address for each network. So here is where you can find, you see the token address for Boo on the Avalanche network. This is the token for this is the address for the Boo token on Ethereum. And this one here is the token for, the contract address for the Boo token on Fantom. So you would copy that here, and then you'll go back to your MetaMask, and you'll go import token, and basically you paste the address here, and once you paste, sometimes you just have to click like right here, so that your the selection is outside of the box, and then you'll see right here it says Boo and token decimal. So then you go add custom token, and you'll see it here. That's Boo. So you go import token, boom, and that is it. That's how you would add. That's how you add that's how you add. As you can see right here, that's how you add different tokens to your MetaMask. So basically, it's one step to add the network, and then sometimes on depending on what platform you're on, you can there's a link where you can add the token to your MetaMask. But either way, this is the manual way to enter the token. So if ever your token is not showing up on your MetaMask, you can just add it, and then you'll see your balance. So so that looks like that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.